This is the second time in 1 week this building is saved.
Looking outside, the gate is deployed as a result of the storms. Angelo, what would you normally be doing at this point?
Getting water out from the lower garage.
We're doing this 40 years. We saved close to $1 million in damages to cars and buildings.
And I'd just like to point out that on Monday, when we had the first flood, we lost electricity in the area. And if we had some system that used electricity, it wouldn't have gone up.
The floodgate was a heaven sent on Monday when the rain came down, the torrential rain. Hundreds of thousands of dollars would have been demolished. I absolutely think this is the most amazing thing I've ever seen. I've been watching it from my window, and as it came down, the water was held back.
It was that good. It's fantastic.
It's better than fantastic.
Angelo, how long did it take before the gate went down from the time it flooded till it went down?
25 and 30 minutes.
That's how long it took.
Max.